Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is May the 18th, 2018, and I have one of my real big containers here. I think this is a 20-inch, it might be bigger than that. And I'm going to be putting in 2 of my bottlehouse gourd seeds today. And I'm going to be putting them in this planter along with a bunch of other stuff. And I've already put a tomato cage in with it. It's a 14-inch by 42-inch heavy-duty tomato cage. And I'm also going to be planting some other stuff in with it then. So I've already put 2 zinnias in, and I'm selecting 2 of my gourd plants out of here. And what I'm going to actually do is I'm going to let the gourds climb the rails then after it gets taller than the cage. Because these gourds can go like 20 feet or longer depending on the soil. So I got 2 of them out here. Now this one doesn't have its true leaves yet, this one does. So I'm going to come in the back here. I'm going to dig a hole for them. Oops. Just stick this in here. And I'm going to fill this back in around here. That this planter is setting, they'll actually get the full sun that they need because they're in the back, and the sun comes from the back across, so I don't have to worry about them not getting enough light or anything like that. They'll be fine with the light that they're going to get. So I'm going to finish planting this container, and when I'm finished with it, I'll come back and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so I'm back and I finished getting this planted. So I have the gourds, sorry about that, back here, and they're going to grow up, and then I'm going to let them climb the railing. And I put a dahlia in here. That broke trying to get it in this thing here, and the wind didn't help any. And then I put 2 Figaro dahlias in, and I put in 2 wax begonias, and I put in my Santa Cruz sunset begonias here. And these can take full sun, so the sun's not going to hurt them. So we got this put together, and as it continues to grow, I'll come back with more videos and I'll show you what the gourds look like, and I'll show you what they look like when they start blooming. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll try to put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.